Hello friends, this is Manoj. Yeah, I'm going to unbox the brand new Mi Band 3. Yeah guys, let me open up this and see the quick unboxing of this one. Yeah, let me open up this thing. Inside we get the Mi Band 3. Keep it aside, and we have this strap, and then one charging cable. Yeah guys, and this is the Mi Band 3. Yeah, it looks nice, and it has a full touch LED display, OLED display. Yeah, let me see its features. See, and it is a water resistance. It has a water resistant, and Bluetooth version is 4.2, and it has so many features like heart rate sensors. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I will give the review of this video in my later section. Yeah guys, thank you.